Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I will answer a question from Canva tutorial tips and trick Facebook group about how to create text like this. So let's go to Canva. I will choose Instagram post size and then I will type a text. I will change the font to a rounded font like Concept 1, and then I will increase the size. I will go to spacing and reduce the letter spacing. Okay. Now add a square and send it to back. Change the text color to white, the same color as the background, and then download it. Okay, now remove all this element and upload the PNG of page 1 here. Now remove the background. To make it sure, just change the color of the background to other color. Okay, so the background removed correctly. And then I will increase the size. And I will go to edit, go to shadow and choose outline. And then reduce the size of the outline about 10. And then change the color. I will change to this gray. Okay. Now crop this frame so this outline doesn't appear. And then I will increase the size. Alright, now add this image of the woman. For example, I will choose this one and remove the background. And I will place it here on the C. Alright, and then I will crop it. And then add the other image for the other letters. Now go to position, layers, and move the frame to the top. Now go to edit. Choose blue tone. I will change it to white, the color that doesn't exist in other element. Change the highlight to white. See this hex code. And the shadow also to white. Now change the page color to white. And then download it as PNG. I will add a new page in other color. And then upload the PNG of page 1 here. Choose BG remover to remove all white color. And then type mom. And then change the font to a handwriting font. Like this moon time. And then I will change the color to this gray. Okay. Alright, and then download it as PNG with transparent background, page 2 only. And then you can put it on a t-shirt mockup or the other. So this is the tutorial. I hope it helps you. See you next video and have fun with Canva.